When you're revising a manuscript, do you find adding in the changes to your text when you're writing a letter frustrating? Well, let's show you an easy way to do this. For some reason, this only works on Mac and Google Docs. Not sure why yet, but give this a try and check it out. So this is a super simple way to generate changes in text. Here are a couple insertions and deletions and replacements. Replacement 1, 2, and 3. Here's an insert and here's a delete. So what I want you to do is think about downloading this as a document. So the weird part about this is you have to download it as a document. And I haven't figured out how to make it work outside of using both Word and Google Docs. I'm going to switch you over to the view of the document. You see here's your document here, and here is our background. We see here's again our edits, rejections, replacements, and insertions and deletions. Let's say you want to copy this. So how do you get this beautiful text right here? If you were to go ahead and copy this, you'd paste this and say, here, edit, copy, here, edit, paste. And you see that your edits, replacements, and everything come in this, and you have to go manually and, for example, go back and say that you've done an edit here, you've done, for example, a green underline to show that that edit is there, and that's really frustrating and really painful. So why don't we try another way? So once you've downloaded your text, you're going to go to your Word document. So this is your downloaded text. You have switched over and you see this text here. You want to make sure you're in all markup, that your markup options have insertions and deletions. I tend to have all revisions in line, so everything is seen. And then you have preferences where you make sure you have your green, for example, you can make your text whatever you want. I like green and red because that's the standard I was trained with. You could, for example, have it to be yellow, and there it is, and your insertion text becomes yellow. We change this back to green just for your convenience. And then formatting I like to have to be always black. You'll have these edits here, everything in line. And what you're gonna do is make sure track changes is off. You'll select, you'll copy. Again, this is just your standard copy. You're gonna switch to your other screen and you're just gonna go and paste. And that's it. It automatically comes over in however you format it. I like to inset that with the inset increase indent tab. And you get to at least have an easy version of this here. Thanks for having a listen. Let me know in the comments below what other tips you have, and we'll see you next time.